today is the 30th of July 2022, and we have Taapelikatu was at 6.
Yeah.
And here in Ankkuri, Lahti, Finland. Oh, did somebody come here?
Yeah.
That's these workers of 300 grams. This is a really weird case. We're only going to take one right here because it was modernized, but in this panel. This was not built in 2000, in 1998, and the serial number is 55585 by Semag. It says 98 on the glass as well, and we have checked that it was verified it was finished in 1998. So 2000 is a typo, strange one, but still, it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. It wouldn't even be illegal to build this in the year 2000 without endorsing it. So this was 1998. It will be 25 years old in the next year, 2023, if it were original stone. If it still was original here, then it would be, but we know it was Semag before.
Yeah.
According to that serial. It is Semag serial.
Yeah.
There were just no exceptions in 2000 for the new build ones.
Yeah.
Without endorsed, there wasn't, so that wouldn't have been possible. And also, 2000 Semag would also have been rare.
Yeah.
Even with an in a door.
Inspekteerpakje var inspektant med den på Kone.
Yeah, this is Lahti, Lahti's Finland. In Ankkuri. This suburb is a little bit bigger than we expected. It also has the Siberia's house,
Yeah.
which has a notice of 1,000 which
Yeah.
has to be filmed later.
Yeah.
Residential buildings here, rest of the interesting ones.
Yeah.
Drawing later.